Welcome to Dim Emotions. I'm going to be showing how to create a simple bounce animation. So let's dive in.
Here we go.
So you can get out the project files from the link in the description below. So I have a ball layer here. And you can subscribe to my channel so you get notified on tutorials like this. So start by creating a keyframe at the start point and go half a second. And we're going to bring our ball down to our surface, which is our bench. It's more like a spring, so you might have a normal surface, but I'm going to bring it close to our surface. I'm going to zoom in to check if it's really close. Okay, I think it's okay around here. Yeah, then you can zoom back. So what we need to do is take it to our 1 second mark and copy our first keyframe and paste it right there. I'm going to copy our keyframe and paste it there. We're going to take it back to the start point. So you can see we have this simple bounce animation, but it's not looking real. One of the things we can do to improve on this is basically, so you go to keyframe assistance and easy ease. Then you go to your graph editor and you're going to select the start and end points and make sure it looks like this, a more bent M shape. So that the animation slows up when it gets to the high points. So now you can see it looks more real. So we're still going to improve on this by stretching and squashing it when it touches the surface. So you're going to go backwards close to your half second mark. Then don't forget to turn off this icon. Don't forget to turn off this icon because we don't want it to increase in size, but because we want to squash it and stretch it. So turn off that icon. Then at half second mark, we're going to squash the ball. Then it goes. I think it's too much. I'm going to increase it a bit. So you go to your half second and you bring it back to the normal size. Then you squash from the opposite direction. And I think our ball is not touching the surface, so we are going to bring our position down a bit. Yeah, so I'm taking it down. I think it's okay around there. Then you take it forward and copy that first keyframe and paste it. So that animation repeats itself. And at our start point, we're just going to keep our ball back to its full size. So copy that keyframe and go to the end of our composition and paste that keyframe there as well. I'm going to easy ease this keyframe as well. So you go to keyframe assistance and easy ease. I'm going to play this for you so you see how it looks. So we have this squashy kind of bounce effect. So we're going to improve on this by just turning on your motion blur. So once you turn on your motion blur, it's going to look a bit different. You have this blurry effect on the ball, which is even more unique, more real. So as simple as that, you have a bounce animation, but it's not looking real because of our surface is just still. So you can easily create this surface to be more like of a string. It's going to push the ball once it touches it. So all I did was just make use of the puppet pen tool. I clicked on it and added points. I'm going to zoom in. So I added several points and added several pinpoints, and I just animated the center one, the position for the center one. So I took it down, I took it forward a bit, brought it down, and took it up again and brought it back to its normal point. So, and I easy ease those keyframes as well. So we had this spring kind of surface that pushes the ball up. So that's it for today, guys. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified for more tutorials like this. And thanks for watching, and always stay creative.